Right, so now the vehicle's all washed and it's dried, I'm going to get all of the rubbers and everything all taped up. And we're also going to put some tape around the soft top as well, because we don't want any polish residues or anything going on that. As you can see, we're ready for polishing. So I've got both machines out and ready. I'm going to use the bigger machine on the wider bits of the panel, like this. I've got the smaller machine for these areas here. So we've almost, well, yeah, I have finished polishing this. I'm just going to buff all the compound off, then we're going to let the paint rest overnight. And then tomorrow we can start focusing on the humidity in the unit and the temperatures. Temperatures will be fine because of the time of year we're at, which is really nice, but obviously humidity can become an issue. So hopefully tomorrow it'll be good and the humidity will be below 70. Then we can look at getting the ceramic on. So for this vehicle we will be using the Wax is Dead Ultimate Plus, which is the 10-year coating we offer. It is the best of the best. You cannot get a better coating than the Ultimate Plus, and it is definitely one of its own. If you haven't already, I would recommend looking into it. If it's something you're interested in on your vehicle, just reach out to us, or if you're not in the Bristol area, reach out to Wax is Dead themselves and they will point you in the right direction for somebody in your area. Not all Wax is Dead applicators can apply the Wax is Dead Ultimate Plus. You have to be an elite installer such as ourselves. So today is another day. The paint's been left to rest overnight, so now it is time for ceramics. I was in nice and early at 7 o'clock this morning. The time is now 11 o'clock, so I've been trying to get the humidity down. But we're currently sat at 67% and 19 degrees, so we're close, because it's more than good enough. I'm going to spray the vehicle down with the Wax is Dead cleaner. We'll give it a quick wipe off. This will remove any dust, any residues or oils or anything left over from the polishing stage. Once I've done that, we're going to be using the Wax is Dead Ultimate Plus, which is our 10-year coating, which is why the humidity is so important today. We'll get that on, we're going to be doing the paint, the glass and the wheels. I think we're going to do the wheels tomorrow. We also need to protect the soft top. I will most definitely be doing that tomorrow as well. So I'm going to get on with it. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Detailing Done Properly. Sit back, relax and let me do all the work. So this is our Ultimate Plus. This is the 10-year Wax is Dead coating I just mentioned. It comes in a nice fancy little pot there. Nice little pot. You've got your warranty card, your applicator, sticker for the door crevice, which is just there, and then of course the magical potion itself. So I've already cleaned the soft top. It's a little bit dusty as the car's been sat in there almost a week now while I've been doing the paint and things. So I'm going to get the airline. I'm just going to blow all of the dust off of here. Once I've blown all the dust off, we're going to get the wax is dead fabric. We're going to get that protected. So first of all, I need to mask up the edges if the tape's going to stick, because obviously we've just ceramic it. But yeah. Right, here we have the wax is dead fabric. I've got my cloth to hand as well, so if we get any overspray anywhere, we could just wipe it off. So the way to use the wax is dead fabric is to spray it on the material you want to do, whether it be your soft top, your seats or your trainers. Then you just massage it in. Once you've massaged the product in, you leave it 8 hours and then it's cured, and that can last up to 36 months. So this is all excess product. Yeah. So I'll just give that a little wipe over with a clean microfiber. It literally comes off in one go. There we go. Right, so now the wheels are off, we're going to give them a really good clean. I'm going to use an alkaline based wheel cleaner. I'm going to spray it on, jet wash it off, spray it on again, agitate it, and then we'll get it off, get it dry and get it ceramics. So, wheels are clean, wheels are dry. Now we're going to spray the Wax is Dead Ultimate Plus onto the wheels. Not going to have much time to talk because I'm literally going to have to spray it on and get it straight off. Humidity is quite high, as you can probably hear. It's absolutely hammering it down outside. So I'm going to get on with this. If you've got any questions or any comments or anything, leave them down below. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, that is everything done. So the wheels are ceramic, the calipers are ceramic, the paint's ceramic, the glass is ceramic, and the soft top is ceramic. So now I'm going to get the wheels back on, get the vehicle back down on the ground, let it sit, let it cure, get some sexy slow-mo footage for you lot, and then we can cover it up ready for the customer.